Hey, welcome to my channel. Why did my voice sound like that? Welcome to my channel, Dizzy Slay MUA. Today we are going to do a birthday beat down. Again, I'm just showing you eyes because everything I do to my face is pretty much the same thing. If I change the products, I'll list that down for you below, and it'll also be on my Instagram, my Facebook. I'll be on Twitter, I ain't tell you. Never mind, don't go in there. Anyway, stay tuned. I hope this look is easy for you to follow along with. We're just using one palette. That is the Take Me to Brazil. Sorry, I watch Rio a lot. So we're gonna get into the pinks, the purples, the glitters, all my favorite super duper girly stuff, okay? So stay watching. Don't forget to subscribe at the end, okay? Don't forget to give me that thumbs up, gang, 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 gang. And share it. Share it, share it, share it, share it, share it, share it. Okay, so correction. I'm using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I'm starting off with this light pink color. And I'm gonna place it right under my brow. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh man, this look is so gonna match my scarf. Not intentional. So yeah, I'm just using a fluffy brush. I'm just making sure I got the area that I want covered. Under the brow, bring it down some. Okay, in the palette, we're going to use this shimmery color at the bottom. And I'm putting that right under my brow. I love shimmer under my brow. So we can place that right on top of our pink. Now, we're going to use this pretty deep purple shade in there. There it is. And we're going to start to make our half a moon right in our little eye pocket. That's what I always call it, like right in our little pocket. You can feel your eyeball. So with this purple, you see I keep going over it back and forth. I just want to build that purple up. Get it a little deeper. Alright, now we're going to do the same for the other eye. Hopefully you have time like I do, so take your time. Makeup should be fun, okay? Okay, now we're going into the hot pink shade at the top. I love that color. That's probably like the main reason why I bought this palette. And I'm literally placing that like right on the outer edge of that purple, and then you'll see. I'm just going to keep packing it on. Don't worry, it's not going to be a harsh line. We're going to go back and blend everything, but just keep building that pink up, okay? Alright, now after we've packed it on the other eye, we're going to get our fluffy brush. I love that little fluffy brush. I swear it was only like $2 or $3. And I keep dipping it in that hot pink and then just blending it over top of that purple. Okay, we're still taking that fluffy brush, and as you can see, we're still blending it with that pink shade, that hot pink shade. Not only are we just putting on top of the purple, we're adding more above it, but we're not taking it all the way up to the brow. Kind of like in the middle, but just keep blending till you're satisfied. Alright, now we're using that black shade at the bottom, which is really bomb. So we're adding that to the bottom of our purple. We're not getting rid of the purple completely, but we are definitely putting this black there with our half a moon shape thing we got going on. Okay, and we're doing the same with the other eye. We're placing that black there, and then I'm gonna kind of like swipe it. Do like a sweeping blendy method. Okay, now with the same purple shade that we used before, we're gonna go right over top of the black and just kind of brighten up that purple again, but still keeping that black black, I guess. You see what I'm doing. All right, as you know, same for the other side. Now we're going back into our hot pink color And we're gonna add that above the purple, making our hot pink a little bit more brighter. Like I said, we want to see all these colors, and that pink has to pop. Oh yeah, forgot to show you guys. Alright, so as you see, I'm placing the pink there. I'm patting it on, and then I'm gonna go back in after I place the color with my little floofy little brush, my little floofy $3 brush, and then I'm gonna blend that pink. Oh, it's so pretty. Alright, now I'm going in with the Moira Mega Concealer. I always use this to cut my crease. This is in the color Vanilla, number 1. And I start in the middle of my eye, and then I always extend it to the inner part. Do like small strokes. And then I bring that concealer down. And then extend it to the outer. My breathing is heavy like a fat joint right now. Well, yeah, if the burger fits. As you see, I use 2 different brushes when I do my cut creases. It's just this smaller angle brush helps when I want to like fix the actual cut of the crease. I get it a little bit more precise using this smaller brush. Alright, back into our palette. We are going right back with our black color. And I'm gonna place this at the bottom on the outside of our cut crease, and I'm just gonna like shade it out some. I still want this cut crease to be like kind of smoky, so that black's gonna help, especially since we're not doing a full wing liner. Alright, after blending out our black shade, I do go back into the palette, back with the purple and blend it over top of the black, and then back with the pink and blend that over top of the purple. I'm doing a lot of back and forth, but that's because I don't want us to lose any color. I want us to be able to see all the colors, and I want it all to blend. So the back and forth is important. Alright, getting to the fun part. Here's our NYX Cosmetics Glitter Primer, and we're going right over top of our cut crease. Slowly putting it on. We're just going to do a thin layer of this. It doesn't have to be super thick. Go right along that crease. Alright, time for the fun part. The same brush I used to apply the glitter primer is what I'm using to apply the glitter. I just like wipe it off a little bit, but then I dip it right in the glitter and I pack it on section by section. Take your time. I don't really have a lot of fallout when I do it this way. Oh, it's so beautiful. Yeah, so I start at the corner, go across the top, and then I start to bring it down. I usually don't take it all the way down to my lash line because I know I'm going to do an eyeliner, and I hate putting liner over top of glitter. It just takes so much longer. So if you can cut it like right where you're going to put your liner, that's perfect. Clearly I didn't do that here. Of course, do the same for the other eye. And if you have to, go over top of the whole lid again with the glitter just to make sure everything is covered. Alright, now we're using our Absolute Concealer Pencil. And we're going right over top of our waterline. I think I got it right that time. Yeah, we're going right over top of that with our concealer pencil. Now I'm using my Kiss 24-Hour Luxury Eyeliner in Black is Black. And I'm going right under where we put our concealer pencil. And I'm extending it all the way to the outer part of our eye so that it touches all the color that we had at the top. Alright, back in that palette, we are going into the black shade. And I'm using like this little pencil brush, that's what it's called. And I'm going over top of where we put that black eyeliner. And I'm blending that out with the black eyeshadow. This is gonna be so cute. Do you guys see it? No, not yet? Okay. Okay, now we're using this pretty like fuchsia shade at the top of our palette. And with that same pencil brush, go like basically underneath that black but still touch that black and smoke it out. Like blend it out, blend it down. Now do you guys see the vision? Well, you know what, you did kind of see it at the beginning of the video. Whoa! Right here I'm taking a cotton pad and I have put Palmer's toner on it. So not only am I cleaning up any glitter fallout, but I'm getting rid of all those oils in my skin. Alright, we're using my favorite, NYX Cosmetics Matte Liquid Liner. And like I said always, I start at the lash line. And then, because we're not doing a wing, I'm going to start on the outside of our cut crease and bring it down like our triangle, like we would be doing if we did do a wing. That makes sense? If you have to, pull that skin, that way your line can get as straight as you need it to be. And keep thickening it if you have to as well. So you're just going to keep drawing and shading. Keep going over that glitter. Alright, now I'm going over my lashes. This banging behind little $2 mascara that I got from the beauty supply store. It's my favorite one. I don't care. Can't nobody tell me nothing. I'ma always use it. But yes, here goes some mascara. Alright, now just take a minute to just look at yourself, girl. Look like a cute little foily snack. Alright, this is our final look. Do you like it? Do you like it? I feel like it's perfect for like a night out on a town with your girls for your birthday. That's why we did the glitter. We got the pink, the purple, and even like a popping ass lip. This is supposed to be like a matte lip, but lately I've been in the gloss, so there that goes. For the glitter, I used like a mixture. It was Beauty Beam by NYX Cosmetics. And then I used more of a pinky tone. It's by Girls Like Us. It's called Innocent. I mixed the two together and then just had on. Let me see if you can get a close-up on this look. Like, yeah, so that's our look for today. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you hoes next time. I said I wasn't gonna call y'all that no more. All right, I will see y'all next time. Thank you again. Bye.